Hi all, welcome to Greedy for Green. I want to talk about this sweet little plant today. It's called Portulaca grandiflora or moss rose, or very popularly known as the 9 o'clock. Yes, it blooms all throughout the year, and I have just collected these cuttings from my neighbors and put them in this spot. These do not have roots now, so and the stems are rather long and leggy, so I'm going to prune them like this, like cut the overgrown ones and put them back into the soil. And any irregular growth or overgrown stem that is growing on your portulaca or moss rose, you can just cut them off or propagate it separately. They are all going to grow. Portulacas do not die easy. Like, they will grow and give flowers if you have taken even a little bit of care, like given the basic dignity of putting them in a soil or given them a little water also. Be branch growth from the pruned part also. So this is 26th of August. Within a month I'll show the growth of my portulaca. And apart from this soil, I have also taken a stem off and propagated them in water, like just put them in a bottle of water 2 hours back. So I think there I've already started seeing a little bit of white growth on the stems also. Here, this one, I have just put a little bit of fungicide powder in this water because it's raining a lot, so stems can get fungus. Little bit of white growth there. Yeah, there a little bit of white growth is already there, which means it will grow into long root in near future, and I will put that back into this pot. So right now I'm going to grow them separately, and this is my easy peasy propagation of Portulaca grandiflora. I'll come back after a month and show you how it has grown or whether it has blossomed at all. Welcome back. This is 26th of September and you can see the growth and the bloom on my Portulaca or 9 o'clock. There are buds also, ample amount of bud development and blossoms as well. How I got the buds, like the blooms started within 2 weeks of the propagation, like 1 or 2. Now they are more in number, but the buds had to it took a week more for the bud developments to happen. I pinch off the spent flowers like this. The spent flowers, today is 27th September and this is tomorrow. These are yesterday's blooms and I pinch these off like this. So without disturbing the buds, the other buds, I pinch off the one that has already bloomed, and this is a fresh one, so I won't be pinching this off. This is a spent one, so I'll pinch this off. So this pinching process encourages more blooms to happen, because the energy that the plant spends in keeping an spent one alive is actually dedicated to blooming the next bud. So this is the frequent and the most common technique to make your portulacas bloom, and this is the pink one. So this is how you can easily take care of your portulaca plant. And if you are busy, you cannot devote much time to gardening and still want a little flowering plants here and there, this is the plant you should go for. I hope you found it useful. Please subscribe and like and share if you found this video useful. Bye.